Creativity is intelligence having fun. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's inspiring episode of 7 Good Minutes, we delve into the fascinating intersection of mindfulness and creativity, and how they can be used to unlock your artistic side. Enjoy! Exploring the connection between mindfulness and creativity opens a fascinating door to your artistic side. Mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, creates a fertile ground for creativity to flourish. When you're mindful, your mind is less cluttered with wandering thoughts, allowing creative ideas to surface. This state of heightened awareness enhances your sensitivity to the environment and inner experiences, both of which are vital sources of creative inspiration. Mindfulness also fosters open-mindedness, allowing you to see things from different perspectives, a key aspect of creativity. Moreover, mindfulness practices like meditation can boost divergent thinking, a type of thinking that generates creative ideas. By regularly engaging in mindfulness, you can tap into deeper levels of creativity, discovering new ways of expressing yourself and viewing the world. Mindfulness clears mental clutter, creating a conducive space for creativity to spark. In your daily hustle, your mind can become crowded with endless to-dos, worries, and plans, leaving little room for creative thought. Mindfulness practices help in quieting this mental noise. Techniques like focused breathing or mindful walking bring your attention back to the present, reducing the constant chatter in your mind. This mental decluttering is akin to cleaning your workspace, which can suddenly make room for new creative ideas to emerge. As you practice mindfulness, you'll find that your mind becomes more spacious and less occupied with repetitive thoughts. This mental spaciousness is where creativity likes to play, where new connections are made and innovative ideas are born. By making mindfulness a regular part of your life, you're not just calming your mind, you're also setting the stage for creativity to thrive. Cultivating mindfulness to enhance artistic expression involves incorporating specific techniques into your routine. Start with mindfulness meditation, where you focus on your breath and observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice enhances your ability to concentrate and stay present, crucial skills in artistic endeavors. You can also practice mindfulness through creative activities like drawing or painting mindfully, fully immersing yourself in the process and observing your thoughts and emotions as they arise. Another technique is mindful listening to music, paying close attention to each note and the feelings it evokes. Engage in sensory exercises, like observing your surroundings or focusing on a particular object to heighten your sensory awareness, a key element in creativity. By regularly practicing these mindfulness techniques, you develop a deeper connection with your inner self, which is a wellspring of artistic expression. Overcoming creative blocks with mindful practices is a powerful strategy. Creative blocks, often characterized by a lack of inspiration or motivation, can be frustrating. Mindfulness can help by bringing your attention back to the present and reducing the pressure and anxiety surrounding the creative process. When you're stuck, try engaging in a mindful breathing exercise. Focusing on your breath can help clear your mind and reset your focus. Another approach is to practice mindful walking, which can stimulate new ideas and perspectives. Additionally, mindfulness encourages acceptance, which means accepting the creative block without judgment. This acceptance can paradoxically free your mind and open it up to new creative possibilities. Creative blocks are a normal part of the creative process, and approaching them with mindfulness can turn these challenges into opportunities for growth and renewed inspiration. Harnessing the power of mindful observation for artistic inspiration is a transformative experience. Mindful observation involves fully noticing the details of your environment, the colors, textures, sounds, and smells. This heightened awareness can be a rich source of artistic inspiration. For instance, observing the play of light and shadow on a landscape can inspire a photographer, while the subtle nuances in everyday conversations can spark ideas for a writer. Practicing mindful observation also helps in seeing the ordinary in extraordinary ways, a fundamental aspect of creativity. You can practice this by taking a mindful walk, observing everything around you as if you're seeing it for the first time, or by sitting quietly in a busy place, simply observing the flow of life around you. By incorporating mindful observation into your daily life, you open yourself up to a world of inspiration, where even the mundane can become a muse for your creativity. Integrating mindful leisure into your daily creative routine is an enriching practice that can significantly boost your artistic endeavors. Mindful leisure involves engaging in activities that relax and rejuvenate you while being fully present in the moment. This can include activities like reading, gardening, or simply sitting quietly and enjoying a cup of tea. Integrating these moments of mindfulness into your day can refresh your mind and spark creativity. It allows for a mental break from your creative work, giving your subconscious mind space to process and develop ideas. Additionally, during these leisure moments, you might find unexpected inspiration or solutions to creative challenges you've been facing. By making mindful leisure a part of your daily routine, you create a balanced rhythm in your life that supports both your well-being and your creative expression. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening. If today's episode resonated with you, I've created something to help you take the next small step. I've put together a series of better habit guides designed for people who feel behind in life and want a simple, practical reset without overwhelm. You can explore all of them at 7goodminutes.com/guides. That's 7goodminutes.com/guides.